Hello, in this demo video, I'm going to show you how ClickCash software works. ClickCash is a world-first done-for-you software that pays you for linking up YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Vimeo, and Dailymotion videos without recording or editing any of those videos. So you get paid whenever someone clicks on your ClickCash Magic Link. Once someone clicks on your ClickCash Magic Link, you get paid instantly. And using ClickCash is very simple. It takes just 3 simple steps. The first step is that you have to create your ClickCash site. Upload your logo, create site. Awesome, your ClickCash site has been created successfully, and here is the details. And the good thing about ClickCash is that it will automatically create your magic link. So this is your ClickCash Magic Link. Alright, now you also have to create a niche for your site, and it's very simple. Right here, you select your site, you input the niche, you can select the color right here, okay, and you select the style. So add niche. Awesome, your niche has been created successfully, and the next thing you have to do is to create your campaign. So this is your campaign page, and right here you can link up YouTube videos, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and Facebook videos together. Alright, the video doesn't have to be yours. You can get the video link on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or Dailymotion. Okay, and you get paid whenever someone clicks on your magic link. Okay, now to create a campaign, paste the URL right here. Let's start with YouTube. So you paste the URL right here, click on get videos. Okay, and the videos will be imported for you instantly. And right here you put in your video title. Select your ClickCash site right here and select your niche, and you click on submit, or you can schedule the campaign. So submit, and as you can see, our campaign has been successfully added. Okay, so you can also do the same for Vimeo. Paste in your Vimeo embed code right here, upload your video thumbnail, and select the image. Okay, so put in your campaign title right here. Okay, select your ClickCash site, the niche, and you click on submit to create the campaign. Campaign created successfully. And at the same time, you can also create a campaign for Dailymotion video. So just put in the URL right here, input the title right here, select the ClickCash site, and submit. Awesome, so that is how to add video campaign to your ClickCash site. Also, you can upload your own personal videos to your campaign and get paid for it. Alright, so you just click on upload video, select videos, and you drag and drop the video right here and add it to the campaign. Okay, as you can see, this is very simple. So right now we are done with the first step, and the second step is to monetize your campaign and add ClickCash ads, and that is very simple to do as well. So now let's click on this ClickCash ads. We have different ad space, so you have to select your ad space right here. You select the ClickCash site, and you select the image. Then you click on save changes, and at the same time too, you can add your ad code directly here. So save changes, ad space successfully updated, and right here you see the preview. Okay, so this is the ad preview. Okay, now let's go to the monetize campaign. We have the test ad, the image ads, the video ad, the call to action button, Google AdSense banner, and Google video ads that you can add to your campaign and start getting results almost immediately. Okay, so let's start with test ads. So right here, you select your ClickCash site, you input your text here, you select the color here and the background color, you input your URL here, it could be your affiliate link or your offer link, and you select the position here. So this is the timer, this is 0%, 25, 50, so you select the display time right here, you click on save ad. Okay, you can see test ad has been created successfully. This is the preview section, this is the action. You can click here to preview the site, you can edit, delete, and this is the ad link, the site title. Okay, so let's add image ads. Select your ClickCash site, upload your banner, input your URL, and select the position. Okay, so the timer 0%, that is at the beginning of the video. So you click on save ads, and right here you can preview your image advert. Okay, you can see the preview section here. All right, so let's go to the video ads. You can also add video ads to your ClickCash campaign. So you select the site here, you upload the video, then you input the URL right here, and you select the position, timer, save ads. Ads created successfully. Right, so you can as well add call to action to your ClickCash videos, to your Facebook videos, Vimeo, YouTube, and Dailymotion. Right, so you put the text here, select the color. Okay, all right, you select the style right here and the position, the timer, save ads. Okay, ads created successfully. So this is the preview section. You can as well add button to your campaign. You select the ClickCash site, you input the URL, and you select the button. We have different buttons: add to cart, buy now, download now, contact us, sign up, email, login. So add to cart, bottom right, save. At the same time too, you can add Google AdSense banner and Google video ads to your ClickCash campaign. Okay, so you input your vast code right here and you select the position and the timer and save. So right now, let's preview our ClickCash website. Let's see our ClickCash site. So right here, you click on this magic link to view your ClickCash site. Awesome. This is our ClickCash site that we just set up, and as you can see, this is beautiful. This site contains all the videos that we've added, the YouTube videos, the Facebook video, the Vimeo, and the Dailymotion videos. So we've connected all the videos together, and also you can see the banner. So when someone comes to this site using your magic link and they click on this banner, you get paid. Okay, you can see different banner right here that we've added, and also our videos. Okay, so when your user comes to your site like this using your magic link, they can click on any of the videos that they want to watch like this, and they can click on this play button to play the video.
Hey guys, it's Danny, and
so these are the different monetization methods that we added to our campaign. All right, and once your viewers are watching your video, this will pop up on their screen, and once they click on any of this link, you get paid per click. All right, and if you are using your own custom link, once they click on the link, they'll be taken to your offer or to your sales page where you are selling your product, and they can always buy directly from you. Right, if they click on any of this banner ad, you also get paid per click. And as you can see, everything has been done for you automatically, including the traffic system. You can share your ClickCash site directly on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and others right here and start getting viral traffic. And also to ClickCash comes with 2 different traffic methods, so you can copy your ClickCash Magic Link right here and paste into this traffic source and send unlimited viral traffic to your ClickCash site and start getting results. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.